I grew up in the greater Pittsburgh area. Watched my dad as a steelworker work tremendously hard. My mom was a homemaker at the time. I remember my father going to a union arbitration. Afterwards, everyone around the room went to shake hands, and the attorney for the company wouldn't shake his hand. And my dad used that as an example for me about how not to be as a person and also as a lawyer.
So when I was a kid, I always stood up for other people. From a young age, I knew I wanted to make a difference and be a voice for the people who didn't have a voice.
The work that I did in the courtroom, in trials, every day as a federal prosecutor in New York City is something like going through boot camp. It's a job that every day, the only purpose is to do the right thing. And so as a firm, we've developed our slogan, our motto is doing good by doing right. We seek to do good for our clients, do good in the communities by doing the right thing.
We have a national practice where we focus on plaintiffs-only mass tort litigation and product liability cases. In addition to that, we do environmental contamination cases. We also do auto accident cases, as well as trucking accidents.
Making sure that the team that is in place and working with the clients, when that first call comes into the firm and they express that they've been injured in the accident, it's not, well, how are we going to make money off your case? But instead it's, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry this happened to you. Tell me, how's it impacted you? How's it impacted your family?
When a person is injured, they aren't able to do their role in their family. And I think that's where we come in. We help fill those holes, where we get them the compensation that they need to make their lives a little easier, so they can have the ease of mind to know that their family is provided for in the future. And so we help families cope with those losses, and we help make sure that the people who committed those wrongs are held accountable.
When you have a family that you're trying to provide for, and you lose your job because of an accident, you don't know how your kids are going to get health care, because that came with the job. You don't know how the kids are going to get clothing, because that came with that paycheck.
We try to understand not only what they've gone through, but what they're currently going through. We try to understand their injuries, and we try to understand the mental toll it takes on them and their families. We make sure that the defense attorneys and judges and juries see and understand what our clients have gone through. And we make sure they value that.
What makes the commitment of Chaffin Luhana stand out is truly the dedication of not just the attorneys, but all of the staff that are involved. Everyone here has really made it their goal to help clients as much as they possibly can.
The right lawyer means everything. Having grown up and seen what my dad faced, for example, in adversity, whether it's in the steel mill or something else that happened, the one thing that I know is that if there's a problem, you consult an expert about it. You consult someone who's had a similar experience, that's been through it many times previously. You don't go it alone. You don't have to go it alone. At Chaffin Luhana, we're committed to every person and every family that we serve, every day and everything we do.